Alright, so this question says the mean weight of 7 boys is 56 kilograms and the individual weights in kilograms of 6 of them are 55, 60, 59, 55, 52 and 57. Now we have to find the weight of the 7th boy. Okay, so we have the average weight of 7 boys, which is 56 kilograms, and then the individual weights of 6 of those 7 boys has been given, but the weight of the 7th boy is unknown, and that is what the question wants us to find. Alright, so let's quickly go down and look at the solution to this question. We don't have to forget our simple deduction. The sum over n is equal to the mean. Alright, now since we don't know the weight of the 7th boy, let's say that the weight of the 7th boy is x. So in the question we have been told that the mean or the average of the weights of the 7 boys is 56 kg. What it means is that the mean over here has been given, and then the n we have over here also is known to be 7. Alright, so we are left with the sum. What is the sum going to be? The sum over here, what is the sum going to be? The sum is going to be the addition of the weights we have over here, the weights over here, in fact this weights over here, plus the weight of the 7th boy, which we don't know, so we let it be x. So when you sum the weights of the 7 boys, plus the 7th boy, the one that is unknown, and divide by 7, and that should be equal to the mean weight of the 7 boys, which was given in the question. Alright, so when you add all these numbers we have over here, when you add all the values we have over here, I suppose you'll be getting 338 plus x, that's what we have here, all over 7, and that should be equal to 56. So from here you multiply both sides by 7. So you multiply this side by 7, and then you multiply this side as well by 7, so that this 7 will cancel this 7, and so you have on the left side 338 plus x, and that is equal to 329. And when you solve for x, you'll be getting x to be equal to 54. X is 54 kilograms. So therefore the 7th boy weighs 54 kilograms. The 7th boy weighs 54 kilograms. There's actually another method that we can use to answer this question. Let's quickly look at that. So with the same question, with this approach, we are first going to find the sum of the weights of the 7 boys. Then we would go ahead and find the sum of the ages of the 6 of them whose individual ages has been given. So let's quickly do that. The sum of the weights of the 7 boys is going to be equal to, considering this our basic deduction, the n over here is 7, and then the mean is 56. So for the sum of the weights of the 7 boys, we have the sum over 7 is equal to 56. Where the 7 over here is the n, and the mean is 56. Alright, so you solve this and you get the sum to be 56 times 7, and that will be giving us 392 kilograms. So all the 7 boys, when you sum their weights, you should be getting 392 kilograms. Now among the 7 boys, the individual weights of 6 of them have been given, so we can find the sum of the weights of the 6 boys whose individual weights have been given. Alright, so that is equal to, when you add all their weights, the first one is 55 plus 60 plus 59 plus 55 plus 52 plus 57. And then you are getting the sum of their weights to be 338. So now to get the weight of the 7th boy, now we are all 7, we are 7 in number. Our weight is 392. When one person is taken out, the weight now reduces to what? 338. Okay, so we can easily find the weight of the person that has been taken out, okay, by subtracting the weight of the 6 boys from the weight of the 7 boys. Okay, so the 7th boy would weigh, or the weight of the 7th boy will be equal to the weight of the 7 boys minus the weight of the 6 boys. Okay, the weight of the 7th boy will be equal to the 7 boys weight minus what? 6 boys weight. Okay, and that should be equal to 392 minus what? 338. When you subtract, you should be getting 54 kilograms. Okay, so therefore we say the 7th boy weighs 54 kilograms. Alright, so this method and then the one we used at first, which of them is more simple to you, and then which of them do you like? Leave your comments in the comment section below. If you have any questions too, leave them in the comment section below. Now in the next video, we're looking at the solution to this problem. This question says the average number of spectators at a football competition for the first 5 days was 3,144. On the 6th day, the attendance was 3,920, and now we are supposed to find the total attendance on the first 5 days, and then also the average attendance for the 6 days. This is a very nice question. You don't want to miss this. Please stay tuned. I'll see you next time with the solution.